Hey, what's up you guys? This is Sierra, also known as Cali Curls. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am doing a product review and it's on 7 Minerals Aloe Vera Gel. Now you guys already know how I feel about my aloe vera. I am obsessed, I am in love. Aloe vera is the elite of plants on my list. So if you're interested in seeing how I use this, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned and let's jump into it. You guys already know how much I love aloe vera. It's just so great to use for my hair, for my skin, as a moisturizer all over my body. I like to use the actual leaf itself where I'm peeling it, extracting the gel from it, and making my products, whatever I'm making as a DIY. And then I also like purchasing aloe vera gel like this for those days when I don't have the time or I'm just super busy and don't want to clean up a mess. This is great, and I love that they do it for you. They hand pick the aloe vera leaves, they peel them, they extract them as soon as possible so that way they can preserve all the enzymes and vitamins and minerals as well. So this stuff is great. It has 98.7% organic ingredients. It's alcohol free. I haven't done a DIY for a very long time. I know that I have not done it at all this year, and I'm kind of upset about that because DIYs are everything. My hair flourishes when I use DIYs, and it's just great to just take a step back from those products that have so much ingredients in them. When you're using raw organic products, it's great. It's great for your hair and it gives your hair a break. I'm doing a hair mask that I haven't done in a very long time. That was one of my favorite hair masks doing as a DIY, and that's aloe vera and raw organic honey. If you guys seen previous videos of me using honey in my hair, I know it sounds crazy. I know that it can get, some people ask if it gets sticky. It doesn't. This stuff is amazing, especially if you have low porosity hair, very dry hair. It's just hard for your hair to retain moisture. This is great as well. I don't have certain measurements that I do. I just try to get a consistency that is going to stay and stick on my hair. Now let's get this honey in here. So make sure if you're going to use honey in your hair, use raw organic honey. Do not go to the store and use the little bear honey that you see, the Kroger bear. I used to do that, and it's fake honey. It's not real, so you're not getting all the benefits that you get using raw organic honey. It's so thick. There you go. And I'm just gonna mix it. Okay, so I have it right here. It's filled up a little less than halfway. Runny thick? I don't know. Next time I probably will add a little bit less aloe vera gel so that way I can get a thicker consistency. And already it's working immediately. Okay, so I'm done applying the aloe vera honey mask. It's looking like my neck is sticky, but that's okay. To get myself heat, and I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes. Okay, I'm back. It's been about 40 minutes, just because I got distracted. So hopefully my hair is cooled off, because you don't want to directly jump in the shower when your hair is warm. You could damage your hair that way, so make sure your hair is at room temperature before jumping in the shower. Hair feels so nice and soft. Like I could run my fingers through like butter. Okay, so when my hair gets to room temperature, say about 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out with cold water, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is rinsed out. A question that I get with this type of DIY is, do I shampoo the products out? I don't. I just rinse it out with cold water and I just it comes out. My hair doesn't feel sticky or anything. It feels nice and soft. And I loved that DIY. My hair definitely needs this at least once a month. There's no product in my hair whatsoever. I could honestly let my hair dry like this and I would be happy with it, but I'm gonna do a chunky twist. So I'm gonna do a chunky twist with just one product, probably a cream or a butter, and then I will come back and show you guys the results probably in 2 days, because you guys know how long it takes my hair to dry. So I'll be back and I'll show you guys the final results of what these two products did on my wash day, deep conditioning. We'll be back. Okay, here are my final results. Yes, it's giving me 70s afro. I love it. And it's super soft too. And it looks really shiny just from off that DIY. Otherwise my hair would have been looking quite dusty right now. But isn't this cute? I love it. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link all the information down below so that way you guys can have that. And thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another one.